The Wilds has a dozen endangered species on their property located in Cumberland. However, their breeding programs are trying to boost the population, and that is exactly what happened Saturday. WHIZ reporter Matt Kinchla has more.
There are 12 endangered species here at the Wilds. Animal management works hard with their breeding program each day and just welcomed their newest addition on Saturday. This 4-day-old greater one-horned Asian rhino is the 8th of its kind to be born at the Wilds. The Wilds Director of Animal Management, Dan Beadham, says the new rhino calf is part of a bigger breeding program.
We're part of the species survival plan. There's about 30 different zoos in the United States involved with this particular species and about 80 animals, and we're really excited to have one more added to that group.
If you go on one of the Wilds' many tours, you'll see a fair share of young animals. Beadham says people that come to the Wilds will get to see the baby growing up with her mom, Sonia.
It's about as close to a natural setting as you could expect to see with these things, and so it's a really exciting thing to see. They'll be able to see the mom and baby for the next couple months. People coming out to visit will be able to watch this baby grow up out here.
The 12 endangered species include camels, cheetahs, wild horses, and more. Beadham says every new birth they have at the Wilds can go a long way.
Most of those are part of some type of managed breeding program or another. It's as I said, it's really important. It's the way that we're helping to support these species, trying to breed them, make sure their population's here to essentially ensure that they're around for people to see and learn about and understand. And we hope that people that come to the Wilds and learn about these animals then will help support programs to support and help these animals in the wild as well.
Going to the Wilds and going on these tours is what keeps the Wilds open. Beadham says the visitors help pay for breeding programs along with other necessities.
People come to the Wilds, obviously they come in here, and as they pay to visit, the money that people bring to the Wilds to come see the animals helps support our breeding programs. You know, it costs a lot of money to move a rhinoceros from one place to the next. It costs money to take care of them and feed them. And the money we make here at the Wilds helps support these programs, which helps support all of these animals as well.
At the moment, the new rhino calf does not have a name. Beadham added that typically longtime supporters get to name the animals. This time of year is a fantastic time to visit the Wilds and see what a great mom Sonia is to her new calf. Beadham says the rhino will put on several pounds each day and is a great addition to the Wilds. Reporting in Cumberland, I'm Matt Kinchla, WHIZ News.